Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're doing a southern fried cabbage, you guys. We're celebrating Black History Month this month, so we're gonna be doing a lot of soul food dishes. Just a good rendition and contribute to my family. And I want to hook up a lot of dishes. So if you have been watching, you've been noticing I've been hooking up a lot of southern dishes celebrating Black History Month. So let me know what you think, guys. Let's get into the ingredients. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get ready to do a southern fried cabbage. Like I was saying, we're celebrating Black History Month, so we're gonna be doing a lot of soul food dishes. Now, this dish right here, I learned from a friend of mine. She was really cool, and I was like, southern fried cabbage. I'm like, you frying them cabbage? Nah, but I understand, why they said that you fry it in bacon grease, but I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. But right now, you know what I'm saying, I hope everybody is enjoying Black History Month. We're gonna be doing a lot of little soul food dishes, and this is one dish is a go-to, is the southern fried cabbage. Now, it's really simple and easy ingredients to do. So I'm gonna just share with you what we have. We got one large cabbage, we have one large onion, we have one large bell pepper, we have half an andouille sausage, and some bacon, you guys. So I'm about to get ready to chop up this bacon and put all these ingredients together. And then we do have a couple of seasons here and there. We got some chicken bouillon and some black pepper that we also too gonna be adding to here as we, assemble this dish. Also too, we're gonna have some minced garlic. So let's get all this together. So I'm about to get ready to hook up the bacon, and we're gonna get to whipping up this dish. All right, so what we're doing is gonna be rendering down the bacon. Part of this southern fried cabbage is bacon. That's the key ingredient to doing it. Next, we're going to add in your bell peppers. What we're going to do is saute all your vegetables down. So we're going to cook that in, and we're going to add in our andouille sausage. So I'm about to chop it up. It's not that much, I got a little bit of it from some jambalaya I was making the other day, so I'm about to chop it up and throw it on in there. But yeah, this is a really good dish. I've learned how to make this a lot. Showed my mom how to make it, a few other friends and stuff like that. Everybody has their own different way of how they make southern fried cabbage. Every time you tell somebody southern fried cabbage, they're like, how do you fry cabbage? It's not what you think. It's just a term. But this is actually southern dish that they like to make, in New Orleans, Louisiana, a few other places down south, Alabama, stuff like that. And so, like I said, since we're celebrating Black History Month, we want to do a lot of, rendition of dishes of soul food. Now, this is my way of doing it. Everybody has their own way. There's no specific way because everybody makes twist and turn their own way of, cooking these type of dishes. So you might cook it differently than I do, but that doesn't mean that my dish or your dish is any better from each other's. That's just how your taste buds are, and that's what I do. Like to make, my dish flavorful the way I like to eat it. So that's what I'm doing, and this is one way to do southern fried cabbage. Like this. Now, some people do the Holy Trinity, which is, bell peppers, onions, and celery, but I'm not gonna put the celery in here this time. I normally do the celery, but this time not. I'm gonna add probably about 3 tablespoons of garlic. I already had the garlic minced up, so I'm just gonna add it in. Now you can chop it up freshly if you like. Some people don't like the one out of the jar, but hey, this is what we're using today. So mix it all in. Make sure it's spread out very well. I want this thing to be, flavors to be all elevated and spread out all around to taste the same. So you see I didn't add any seasoning yet because we haven't added in the cabbage. So that's all with the garlic. We'll let this get ready to cook up on medium-high heat. Get this bad boy cooking and throw in these onions. Now you can rough chop your onions, which I just did, stuff like that. Some pieces I gotta cut off the tops. All right, so now that we got this done, I'm gonna actually be sauteing this up. And I'm gonna fast forward this video because I know y'all probably don't want to sit here and be watching this, you know. But, you know, I hope you guys been enjoying these videos. I've been posting up for the month, you know. I'd really like to share my family dishes that I like to, you know, cook with you guys, you know. And this is a special month, you know, just celebrating Black culture. For me, it's just celebrating, you know what I'm saying, soul food dishes that we were raised up on. Even though I wasn't raised up on Southern fried cabbage, I was raised up on cabbage. My mom liked cabbage. She liked to boil her cabbage. So, you know, I didn't really care for it. Yes, Mom, I didn't really care for it. But we ate it. You know what I'm saying? We didn't have no options to eat like these kids nowadays where they pick and choose, you know, what they want to eat with their parents. Nah. Whatever was thrown on your dish, that's what you ate. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't, you go take your butt to bed, you know. And I don't understand that mentality of these children or parents. You know what I'm saying? Nowadays, where they like their kids to dictate, you know, what they eat. You know, there was no options or choices because we had to eat whatever mom and dad put on the table. You know what I'm saying? Because they was working hard. I'm adding in a little avocado oil on top of everything. That helps stretch out the bacon and everything like that, so you don't have to be, you know, put a lot of bacon in here. But if you like bacon, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? More the merrier. You know, bacon is always great. All right, you guys. So about enough of me talking. You know, and I will get into, after I finish sauteing this down, I'm gonna throw in the cabbage. All right, so we let the onions saute down. They wilted down. Now I didn't wilter them. You know, I didn't wilter them down too much because they're gonna wilter down more when I actually add in the cabbage. So we'll get ready to add in the cabbage right now. So, and this may look like it's a lot, but remember, it's gonna melt down, you guys. Yeah, I made a little mess, but like I said, we don't waste nothing over here. We just spread it all around. Like I said, it might seem like a lot, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? You got a nice pot like this, man, or, you know, it just depends on what you got. Put all of it in one pot, you guys. Just spread it around. Like I said, you see how everything fit? Try to make sure all the stuff is in. Now, I still have it on high. You know what I'm saying? I have it on medium high because when you're cooking this dish, you got to make sure it stays on high. That's how you get to fry. But, you know, so you don't want to cook it too slow. This is W sauce, which is Worcestershire sauce, whatever you call it. You know what I'm saying? W sauce. We'll add in there. Next, we're going to be adding in the chicken broth. Now, I have about 2 cups of chicken broth I'm going to be adding in here. That's why I say if you have it on high, this would be great. And, you know, don't do like I did. Slow down a little bit. I'm just kind of rushing a little bit. Now, next you want to do is add in some black pepper. I always like adding in black pepper. You know, so add in the black pepper all around it. It's never not enough of black pepper. Next what I do is add in my all-purpose seasoning that will be coming out. I know I've been talking about it lately, but I finally got with the manufacturer. It's going to be hooking it up. Add it over the top. And that's it, you guys. So you can season it up with seasoning salt, but that's probably 2 or 3 tablespoons of seasoning and stuff like that, but you can season it to taste. Now, all we're gonna do right now is just cover it up, you know, and then as it starts going down, we're gonna toss it so all the ingredients at the bottom can mix in with it. So we're gonna cover it up right now, still leave it on high, keep an eye out on everything like that, and I'll be back in a minute to show you, you know, me turning it over. All right, so start wilting, start wilting, melting down, whatever it is. So I'm just stirring it up. Make sure we get everything incorporated, all the vegetables, all the onions, and the bacon. We want to make sure all the flavor of what's at the bottom gets through the cabbage. So just stir it around, and that's it, you guys. And the next time you see it, it's gonna be done. All right, so let me finish this up, and I'll show you the end result. All right, you guys. So what you want to do is this is a little tip, real quick. I added a little pepper flakes in there, red pepper flakes. You can to kick up the little heat, but I also too like to add some vinegar in there. But this is one way I do it. I get some Louisiana hot sauce instead of just some vinegar to add a little flavor stuff, and just sprinkle it in, sprinkle it all over, and that's it, you guys. That's my little secret. And I'm about to toss this, and it's done. All right, you guys, so it is officially done, you guys. The southern fried cabbage, it looks real good and yummy, you guys. Everything is wilted down like it's supposed to. It's not overly cooked, so you see it's still holding. So that's how you know it's done right. It has a crunch to it. That means you did it the right way. Now, if it cooks through too, or you bite through it, it's too soft, so like melty, you overcooked it, but you can still eat it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this southern fried cabbage. This is definitely a family favorite. You see, this feeds a lot of people, and this was one cabbage, you guys. So you can feed multiple people with this. It's a really great dish, really simple and easy. And the reason why I chose this dish because this is one dish that it represents Black history big time, because these are the type of dishes that were really cheap and easy, and you can stretch out and feed a lot of people. So I'm gonna show you how to do, southern fried collard greens too, and how to mix the collard greens with this cabbage in a different video, but it's almost the same, but you do it with some pot liquor. So those that know about soul food cabbage, soul food collard greens, you know about the little pot liquor, you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a really good video. Really good, dish to make for your family. And let me know if you tried it out, if you had it before, or even if you had, if you even haven't tried it before, or if you got a different way of doing it, let me know. My ears are open, and if you did try it, definitely post it up on my Facebook page, the Urban Culture Kitchen Food Feeds the Soul, you guys. So definitely check that out. I normally post my videos over there too as well, and other recipes. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.